Imagine being 260 miles above Earth, watching a spacecraft glide gracefully toward its new home in the vastness of space. That's exactly what's happening right now as Dragon Endurance approaches the International Space Station, ISS. Welcome to Profit Powerhouse, where we bring you the most thrilling moments in space exploration. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey from the launch pad to the stars as Dragon completes docking process and the astronauts of Crew 10 begin their new life aboard the ISS. Stick around, because this is a story you won't want to miss. Our story starts on a sunny afternoon at Cape Canaveral, Florida. The Falcon 9 rocket stands tall, ready to carry Dragon Endurance and its crew of 4 astronauts into orbit. The excitement is palpable as the countdown begins. For the astronauts, Commander Matthew Dominic, pilot Michael Barrott, mission specialist Jeanette Epps, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Alexander Grebenkin. This is the culmination of years of training. From grueling simulations to medical checks, they've prepared for every possible scenario. As the clock hits 0, the engines roar to life, and Falcon 9 lifts off, piercing the sky with a trail of fire and smoke. The astronauts experience the sheer force of gravity as they're thrust into orbit. Within minutes, they're weightless, floating in the confines of Dragon Endurance, gazing out at the curvature of Earth. The journey to the ISS takes approximately 28 hours. During this time, the crew conducts system checks, communicates with mission control, and takes in the breathtaking views of our planet. For some, like Jeanette Epps, this is their first time in space. For others, like Michael Barrott, it's a return to the stars. Fast forward to the present moment. Dragon Endurance is now just 260 statute miles above Earth, flying over the Indian Ocean. The ISS is in sight, and the docking process is about to begin. The spacecraft's navigation systems guided toward the station, with mission control in Houston and SpaceX teams monitoring every move. Dragon passes waypoint 0, then waypoint 1, each marking a critical checkpoint in its approach. The views are nothing short of spectacular. On one screen, you see the ISS looking down at Dragon. On another, Dragon looks up at the station. It's a dance of technology and precision, with both spacecraft moving at 17,500 miles per hour. As Dragon enters the keep-out sphere at 200-meter boundary around the ISS, the tension builds. The crew prepares for the final phase of docking. The moment has arrived. Dragon is now just 20 meters away from the ISS. It holds briefly at waypoint 2 as mission control gives the final go-ahead. The spacecraft's soft capture ring extends, making initial contact with the International Docking Adapter. This is the soft capture, a gentle connection that ensures alignment. Once confirmed, the ring retracts, pulling Dragon closer. Then, the hard capture begins. 12 hooks engage, firmly securing Dragon to the ISS. The docking is complete, and Dragon Endurance is now part of the station. Inside the spacecraft, the astronauts exchange smiles and handshakes. They've arrived. The hatch opens, and the Crew 10 astronauts float into the ISS, greeted by the Expedition 72 crew. The station's bell rings, a tradition to welcome new arrivals. Commander Dominic takes a moment to reflect on the journey. "It's been an incredible ride," he says. "From the launch pad to the stars, this is a dream come true." Jeanette Epps, the first-time astronaut, is visibly moved. "Looking out at Earth from here, it's humbling," she shares. "This is why we explore." The crew begins their orientation, familiarizing themselves with the station's modules and systems. They'll spend the next 6 months conducting experiments, maintaining the ISS, and continuing the legacy of space exploration. As the astronauts settle in, we look ahead to what's next. The ISS is more than a laboratory, it's a symbol of international collaboration and human ingenuity. With missions like Crew 10, we're paving the way for future exploration, whether it's returning to the moon, reaching Mars, or venturing even further into the cosmos. What an incredible story of human achievement. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Profit Powerhouse for more awe-inspiring content. From space exploration to the latest in science and technology, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.